SenSura Mio Convex Flip. Instruction for use. Cut a hole in the adhesive to fit the exact size and shape of the stoma using a pair of small curved scissors and the cutting guide of the adhesive. Thoroughly clean the stoma and the surrounding skin area. The skin must be completely dry before applying the adhesive. Flip all 5 petals to prepare the adhesive for application. And peel off the protective film from the adhesive. Hold the adhesive with the petals folded back and align the center part around the stoma. Press the center part carefully onto the skin, then flip the petals down over the outward area. To ensure a tight seal to the skin, carefully apply pressure on the adhesive between the ring and your stoma. Apply pressure from the center of the adhesive and outwards in multiple directions to ensure secure adhesion between the adhesive and the skin around the stoma. Secure between the petals first and then on the petals. Before applying the bag, make sure the base plate is clean. Check that the lock ring is open. Line up the bottom of the bag coupling with the bottom of the base plate coupling. Connect the bag and the base plate together from the bottom with your middle fingers. Scroll your index fingers upwards and apply gentle pressure to the top of the coupling until you see the bag is securely fastened to the base plate. Close the lock ring by pressing the lock together. The bag is securely attached to the base plate when you hear a click. Press the small turquoise tab facing your stomach with a fingertip to open the log ring. Hold onto the bag's removal ear and remove the bag carefully, pulling the bag away from the base plate. Gently remove the base plate by pulling the removal ear on the adhesive away from the stomach and roll the adhesive slowly downwards. Apply light pressure on your skin with your free hand to help removal. Please check the instruction for use in the retail box for complete information.